Today I will be looking at the Akko mod007, a $149.99 budget enthusiast mechanical keyboard. This keyboard competes against the GMMK Pro and Keychron Q1, but this keyboard comes with extras and has free shipping. This is a budget enthusiast keyboard that is a great value but does come with a few things to look out for. Akko is a pretty well-known mechanical keyboard vendor. Their budget switches are amazing value for what you get, and their keycaps are pretty good quality as well. However, I don't know how good their customer support is since I'm a customer in the US, but I won't judge that until I've used it, so take that as how you may. The shipping was pretty great. The Akko page said it would take about 10 to 14 days to ship, and it took about 2 weeks, so the description was pretty accurate. There is an express shipping option for an extra $20, and that will take around 3 to 7 days to ship. And honestly, for $20, that's a pretty good deal. The processing and delivery was honestly pretty good considering it comes from Akko directly. Let's look at the packaging. So the keyboard comes in a box about the same size as the actual box holding the keyboard. But this shouldn't be an issue since the box holding the keyboard has a lot of foam in it, so the keyboard is well protected. The box comes with an instruction manual, a coiled cable that's good in quality, the keyboard, an FR4 plate, and the foam gaskets. The coiled cable feels good in build. It has a metal plate at each end, giving them a more premium feel. It doesn't have an aviator connector, however, but still this is a good thing to include for the price. One of the downsides to this keyboard is that the LEDs are north facing, so there will be some interference with cherry profile keycaps. There's also a sticker on the back, which you can take off, but I'm not sure if taking it off will affect your warranty, so I'm just leaving it on to be safe, since you can't really see it anyway. Personally, I wish they would have included more foam gaskets, since the number they've included really only fits enough just for the FR4 plate. There's an included FR4 plate, which is a great addition, considering that similar FR4 plates or PC plates could cost an extra $15 to $20. This is a great value add-on. The keyboard comes with a plate foam that goes between the PCB and the mounting plate, and it comes with a case foam. Overall, I still think the keyboard sounds pretty hollow stock, and adding some denser foam and tape mounting would really benefit the keyboard. Overall, I think this keyboard is a really great budget enthusiast keyboard that competes with the GMMK Pro and Keychron Q1. This keyboard does come with software that you can use to add macro functions, customize the lights, and keys. This keyboard is a gasket mounted keyboard, but the gaskets don't really do much for it. This is to be expected with most foam gasket mounted keyboards. Without the flex cuts, the PCB doesn't really move up and down as much when you press on it. With that being said, this keyboard does feel less stiff than a normal keyboard. If you want a 75% keyboard with a knob and don't mind the north-facing LEDs, then this keyboard is a no-brainer. I can recommend this keyboard pretty easily. It's a price that goes really well against the GMMK Pro and Keychron Q1.